Become an effective software engineering manager. Chapter 2. Manage Yourself First. Managing Yourself First. A Guide to Effective Management Organization. The transition from an individual contributor to a management role brings unique challenges, particularly in organizing one's time, tasks, and responsibilities. The key to successful management lies first in learning to manage oneself effectively before attempting to manage others. The 4 essential tools. The foundation of self-management rests on 4 critical tools that every manager should master. 1. Calendar management. The calendar serves as the primary tool for organizing time. However, it should be used strictly for time-related items such as meetings, appointments, and blocked focus time. The key principles of calendar management include only scheduling actual time commitments, blocking out regular periods for deep work, setting up meeting reminders, making the calendar public by default, ensuring adequate breaks between meetings. 2. To-do list. This tool is crucial for task management and should be the single source of truth for all tasks. Important principles include making it the only place where tasks are tracked, following the rule, if it's not on the list, it doesn't get done, using software that allows for recurring tasks, reviewing it first thing in the morning and last thing before leaving, prioritizing tasks effectively. 3. Email management. Email management requires discipline and clear rules. Using email as the primary source of incoming messages, archiving completed items immediately, never deleting emails, unsubscribing from unnecessary lists, setting up filters for important messages, processing email in batches rather than continuously. 4. Information capture system. This tool helps capture information when away from the desk, whether through a notebook, phone app, or other means. The key is having a reliable way to record important information that can later be transferred to the appropriate system. Categories of managerial activities. All managerial work can be categorized into 4 main types of activities. 1. Information gathering. This involves collecting relevant information about the team, projects, and organization through various means including meetings, casual conversations, and formal communications. 2. Decision-making. Making decisions of all sizes, from approving vacation requests to major strategic choices, is a core management responsibility that requires careful consideration and accountability. 3. Nudging. This involves influencing decisions and outcomes through suggestion and guidance, even when not the primary decision-maker. 4. Being a role model. Leading by example and demonstrating desired behaviors and practices to influence organizational culture and team behavior. Measuring managerial output. A manager's output can be measured using Andy Grove's simple but powerful equation. Output equals team's output plus output of others you influence. This formula emphasizes 2 critical aspects of management. The primary focus should be on enabling and improving team performance. Influence beyond direct reports is a crucial component of managerial effectiveness. Creating structure in chaos. The key to maintaining organization amid chaos is starting each day by reviewing the calendar and to-do list, processing email in scheduled batches, maintaining clear boundaries between different tools' purposes, using recurring tasks and reminders, regularly reviewing and adjusting organizational systems, being productively interrupted. Unlike individual contributor roles where interruptions are typically negative, managers must learn to view interruptions differently. Many interruptions are opportunities for information gathering, decision-making, nudging others in the right direction, demonstrating leadership through example, practical implementation. To implement these organizational systems effectively. 1. Start with calendar management and gradually add other tools. 2. Develop consistent habits around tool usage. 3. Maintain discipline in keeping each tool focused on its primary purpose. 4. Regularly review and adjust systems as needed. 5. Use technology to automate recurring tasks and reminders. The benefits of organization. When properly implemented, these organizational systems provide several benefits. Reduced mental load from trying to remember everything. Increased reliability in following through on commitments. Better ability to prioritize and make decisions. Improved perception of competence from team members. More effective time management. Greater ability to focus on strategic work. Conclusion. Managing yourself effectively is the foundation upon which all other management skills are built. By implementing and maintaining these 4 essential tools, categorizing activities appropriately, and measuring output effectively, managers can create the structure needed to succeed in their roles while helping others do the same. The key is to remember that management isn't about personal productivity alone, but about enabling and amplifying the productivity of others through organized, thoughtful leadership.